Hey, yo, boys, just before we get into this video, this is day something or whatever the fuck it is of day trading and live trading to get a payout, blah, 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 blah. But yo, today I've included London session. This is the first trade. Honestly, do not miss this trade. It was fucking lit. And I've also got New York session. If you do want to trade live, mate, everything's in the description. Besides that, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Get into another video. I tell you to subscribe and all that shit, but I don't really give a fuck. Just do what you wish. And besides that, let's get into it. Alright, morning, boys. This is the setup this morning. London live about to go down. I'm about to start the stage as we speak. We all woke up, showered, feeling good. Pass is done. I can eat today. Sick. But yeah, let's get into this. That's how we're looking so far. I've not really marked anything up as of yet. But yeah, let's start the stage. Yeah, standard. Just gonna give it a sec. Give it a sec. Right.
Order filled.
Not the best setup today, not gonna lie. But we're at pre-market. All I can think of now is we get the reversal of it. So we're nearly there. We're about to take profit. Right, come on, push.
Order filled.
Just like that, boys. In 37 seconds. Fuck off. I hope you're caught that. Yeah, bro, that was a W right there, man. Like, you can't doubt me with London session at this point, bro. Fuck off. Right, we're done, boys. Done for the week. Up 5R. That's the first, and you know what's funny? That's the first fucking London session I've actually decided to like properly film. So I never film in 10 seconds, mate. Yeah. I never film these London sessions. So look, boys, there it is this morning. Just shy of 3.4k this morning in fucking 10 seconds. Come on. I'll show you the trade now. I'll look back. Now, if we go to the stats, as you can see here, $692. And that trade was 22 seconds. So we entered within 9 seconds of open and we was done within 30. Alright, about 30 seconds. Pfft, lovely shit. So, good week so far. Good week last week. This account is about to be passed as well. Now, the mistake I made is yesterday I took a W in London session as well. Here, but I ended up doing some dumb shit. So yesterday I made $600 in London session, and then I ended up doing some bullshit in New York on this account because it's an evaluation. I was like fucking around, stupid as well. Linked all my other London session accounts, so I brought them down 220 plus 94, and I never managed to reach that $600 trade on all my fundeds because I didn't have it linked up at the time, unfortunately. So I missed that W yesterday on my fundeds. That's then when they made me go do some bullshit in New York on my fundeds that I use for London. But anyway, stupid mistakes. Would have been taking payouts today, but what can we do there? So I've locked myself out of this account so I can't fuck around in New York. And then obviously, as you can see here, I have put this in the description. If you do want to go check the Google Doc, I put all the screenshots of all the trades. This is today's trade in there for proof, as well like yesterday's trade. Boom. Literally so quick. Been a quick week. I missed the entry on Tuesday and then I took some bullshit reversal. So I ended up missing. Could have been an all green week for London, but keep it moving in it, keep it stepping. So yeah, just waiting for New York now. But yeah, but how many points was that? So this morning, take profit. Again, look, this is the 5 minute. I probably wouldn't have called it on the 5 minute, but I trade London on the 1 minute, especially when we have like low volume. So obviously we broke out pre-market. We came down 21 points, which is usually a 1 or 2 for us. So if we're using a 10-point stop loss, that's a 1 or 2, right? Now, new resistance level, rather than where it was here, actually, initially it was up here when I first came on, at this point, right? Boom. But because we dropped so much, 20 points, previous support now becomes resistance. So that's why I got in like immediately. 10-point stop loss, 17 contracts, 1 or 2, $700 across all the accounts. Right, yo, boys, this is now me loading up New York session. If you do want to trade live with me, I do trade free. Everything's in the description, as you can see. Loading up the Discord here. Now, OBS, my recording system, keeps fucking crashing every time I try and record New York, so I've got to do voiceovers and shit, but yeah, let's do this. All right, boys, just took New York session, as you can see here, for fuck's sake. Like, on the live today, if you was in the live, you'll have seen, I was saying pre-market, I was like, yo, if this shit breaks on shorts, I'm in immediately. And then go to look at my risk, market opens, right? And then go look at my risk. I'm at 2 micros, brother. I needed 7. So I'm on the risk, By the time I got to change it, gone. Literally, if we got to the 30 seconds, bro, all within 30 seconds. Bro, if we got to the fucking 15 seconds, alright? All within 15 seconds, bro. That's a 15-second candle. 1 to 2 was hit immediately, bro. Missed that shit. So then what do? Go over to YM. I wait for YM to break. YM breaks. What happens? 30 seconds later, I've been faked out. Took a fucking L. Missed my entry on NASDAQ. So it is what it is. Down on New York this week. So yeah, missed entry. And yeah, -2. But here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. So coming into next week, all I need to do is hit 1W. This is just one loss, right? This is one day of winning. I can wipe and get back on track on Monday by taking 1W, which will wipe every single fucking day of this week out the window. So that's how I got to think. That's the mentality. London, we're up, flying, of course. It's London session. Fucking got it in a chokehold. This shit, manipulation. I keep getting fucked. I even just seen on Mama Effect's story. Even he's had a shit week by the looks of it. So L day for him as well. So I've lost on the same day as him. AJ, whereas man like AJ coming through, man are taking payouts on red line. Fucking boy, my guy's up.
Straight up like that in a matter of seconds. All of that on the live stream in front of.
Big up to AJ for that one. But yeah, boys, the way I got to see this is come back Monday, take a W this week, forget about it. Tuesday, W, boom, we're on to the fucking races, you know what I'm saying? So all good in the hood. London session with $10 off of taking a payout on one of my accounts. That is to be eligible. So I'd probably take one payout from one account and then let the rest run, meaning take the full max 2k payout across all the other accounts. So that's another 2 days of winning on them accounts. So yeah, next week should be a good week. I'm no longer trading Fridays. I look at my data and I see Friday I get fucked. Last week, loss. Week before that, no trade because the volume was shit. Friday was shit. Week before that, Friday I lost. So that's 4 Fridays in a row lost. I won on this day, 0.5 RR, bullshit. This day I won. And then this day, I've won 2 Fridays in the past 2 months now. January, let's not even talk about January. Fucking London, New York session, I keep getting fucked. And then London, honestly, bro. Honestly. Now, I'm not going to stop trading New York session, but I am going to scale it. The one I am going to scale is my accounts on London. So when I take my payout, the first thing that I will be doing is going over to Lucid. First thing I'll be doing is, since we got the 50% off on Lucid, I'll be coming over here, buying my accounts, full stacking these in 5 accounts, and I'll be getting the flex accounts. As you can see, I'm going to end up buying some Lucid flex accounts as soon as I take a payout from London session. These are 2-day pass, 50% consistency rule, but there's no daily loss limit, which is sick. But the thing I love about fucking Lucid is funded. There's no consistency rule in funded, which is sick. So it's basically top step, but with the code lock in, rather than paying $130, I can literally get it. For $65, right? 0 activation fee. What's Top Step? Now, bearing in mind it has the same exact rules as Top Step. If I go to a no activation account, $109. Look, Top Step, $130 all in with VAT. Whereas Lucid, exact same rules, but it's literally fucking $65. So I'm going to stack 5 of them bitches soon as I take the payout from London. And I'm going to stack that for London. I'm going to start scaling my London session accounts and portfolio and run it up. Because London, as you can see, I've just done so well in London for so long consistently. And yeah, so I'm just going to scale my accounts with London. New York, trade what I'm trading. I've got 5 accounts running on that, like 250k in funding. Or 300, I can't fucking remember. But yeah, scale this shit as soon as I take a payout with Lucid. And with Lucid and Apex. And besides that, boys, that's it. But I'm going to come back next week and run it up. Now, one of the strengths I would say from this week I've had is patience. Definitely being able to be patient. And I've stuck to my rules every single day. Every single day, as you can see, 1 trade. And New York, 1 trade. But I've just been fucked in the ass. So, but the thing is, because I've not overtraded in a bad week for New York, even though I've not overtraded, I can make all that back next week. So it's cool. I fucking got this shit. But yeah, besides that, boys, love yous and leave you. Another day, another fucking dollar. Let's run it up. And yeah, if you do want to join me live in the breakout room, this is literally all for free. I trade live every single day. You could have caught every single W in London if you really wanted to. You could have caught every single loss in New York. I do this shit free. It's not for me to profit off. It's just me to document, build the credibility in my brand. Further down the line, no one can tell me shit. So yeah, boys, jump in the Discord. Everything's in the description. And if you want to get a Lucid account, same as me, all is there. Apex 90% off, all that shit. Come on, the fucking boys. But yeah, pissed I missed my entry today. Besides that, peace. Oh my god. Boys, it's official. 72 hours over. I'm about 73, 74. I'm about to eat salmon and some eggs. Oh my god. I can't actually tell you how fucking hard it has been for me to not eat for 3 days straight. Sunday night, it's now Wednesday night. That's cooked my first meal in 3 fucking days. Do you know how grateful I am for food, boys? Fuck, I can't be asked for this video, but I'm going to document it. I'm going to put this salmon on, but yeah.
Right now, yeah.
Actually, come on. I'm about to eat it. I'm about to eat it. Emily, I'm about to eat. Oh my god. Honestly. 73 and a half hours later. Can't fucking wait. Salmon, egg.
Can't say you don't deserve it. Good.
It's so fire.
Oh, good.
Oh my gosh, the chili peppers as well. Chili flakes in that salmon. Oh.
Glad you come in.
Mixed with a fried egg with a spring onion chop. Ah, you done? ChatGPT's almost to take it easy and eat slow.
Eat slow then.
I don't know if I can.
Babe,
Fuck ChatGPT.
I'm being serious. I'll shower you.
Why am I such a good cook? No, babes, this is fucking madness. That was unreal.
Good, I'm glad.
Fancy the yogurt.
Eating it?
Yeah, it's all gone.
Yeah, that one was slow, wasn't it?
Nah, it was slow for me. Oh, now the yogurt went through. Oh, bro, what you dumb? You dumb.
It's upstairs, because I was trying to leave it somewhere warm,